Buddy Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public, your construction trained realtor. And it's always so important to have a realtor that has construction training throughout the process. I can't stress that enough. You know, most people are always concerned about the right house, the right floor plan, the right location, town, all that stuff, and it's all important. And yes, it is a lot of work for a realtor to be able to, you know, assist and find that. But one of the things that most people don't seem to consider is construction, and the fact that after they close, a house that's poorly built can end up costing them hundreds or thousands of dollars. And if you're kind of confused about that, well, you know, call some siding companies, call some roofing companies, and find out how much they charge to make repairs. So just something to keep in mind. And also, if you're looking for a used resale house as well, of course, it's all about construction and defects. So you want somebody that can help you throughout the process for the 6 months, 8 months, or a year that the house is being built, help you with construction managers and home inspections and home inspectors. So it's so important. I know the difference between having a realtor with and without construction training. Check out my video at the end. Let's go check out this house called the Stardom. We're over at Webb Minneola. And the Stardom, I think I've seen this, and I think it's in Winter Garden. I could be wrong, but I kind of the name is kind of familiar to me. So 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, 2,269 square feet to 2,325 square feet. So pretty much it's probably like about a bedroom size difference or so, about a bedroom or bedroom and a bathroom or a half bathroom. So let's go inside and have a look.
Go to richnotohomes.com.
Okay, so in the Stardom, and I thought that this was kind of cool, that they put a little mini golf in here, a little putting course. I mean, I realize it's just a way to kind of show off the house a little bit differently, but still kind of cool versus making this into a bedroom. So what we have here, passing up the closet, and half bath. Big open space for sure. Feels very spacious. And I think I have seen this before, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere else. The floor plan just feels extremely familiar. It's an interesting carpet. I thought that there was dirt on there when I looked down at first, but it's not. It looks like it though. Big bathroom. Yeah, very big shower too. Toilet in the closet room. And towel closet. Oh, it's a cool closet. I like this one. This master bedroom closet. Yeah, so it kind of goes a little bit that way. And then there's all this space over here, so I'm gonna flip this, put myself in the viewer. So that right there is about 9 feet, and we got another maybe 3-4 feet. And over here, yeah, that's probably about 8 feet or so. So a very, very big closet, no doubt about that. And the shower, just to try to give you another view, a different type of view. So that's the shower. Let's take a look at the bedroom again. So a big master bedroom, and then next is the living room, and the dining room, and the kitchen. It's amazing how homes can feel so different, because like this house, with this house, this kitchen and living room and dining room is more about this way and this way versus going this way and this way in other homes. And I personally like this better than the other ones that are long and kind of like a shoebox. But it doesn't matter what I like because I'm not buying this house. You know, it matters what you like, of course, your own personal taste. Another great pool back here. Now again, home builders typically don't offer pools with homes. They typically don't even give you the option to buy it through them. So it's always something to keep in mind. That's just a general statement, of course. And here we have toilet in the closet. And this should be, it's a closet too. So another master bedroom with a bit of a smaller closet. It's a good room though, good sized room. So you got two, you got one across from the other. Now let's go and see what was around here. And the community is natural gas. Oh wow, that's a pantry. Oh boy, that's a big one. Check that out. Big pantry. And a big laundry room too. Wow, huge laundry room. Like I feel like this is the type of room that you could turn this side into an office if you didn't want to, you know, use the whole thing as a laundry room. Because I'm off in the corner. You can see just how big it is. Look at that. Huge laundry room. So if you didn't need it as a full laundry room, again, putting a desk over there could be a nice option. HVAC. And 3-car garage. Garage door with the epoxy floors. So a 3-car garage is always nice, and this one, you can see there's some space over here, but it also is pushed in a little bit over there, so that kind of compensates for it. It's always nice to have a 3-car garage. Even if you only have 2 cars, you know, having one for storage. All right, so briefly, what do I think about this house? I like this house because I like the kitchen and living room and dining room, but I think more so the kitchen and this huge island that it has. I think that this is really, for me, I think that this is kind of selling it. And the floor plan is nice too. I do like that it has this room in the front over here, which, you know, probably typically would be a bedroom, but, or maybe it's just a flex room, you know, with the way the house comes standard. But I like the fact that in the back of the house, you got 2 of the master bedrooms. So, nice house, I like it. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com or wintergardennew.com. At the bottom of each community's page, you can see the homes listed for sale, so check it out. And check out the video that's